Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Docs offline. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type docs.google.com. Here, you have to select the document you want to see in offline. I am selecting this. After that, go to File and click on Make Available Offline. And here you have to install an extension. Click on Install. Here, click on Add to Chrome and Add Extension. Here you can see Google Docs Offline has been added to your Chrome. Then go to the document and click on Make Available Offline and turn on. Then in the left side you will see that the document is now offline. Here you have to reload it. Here you can see the See Document Status option. This document is ready for offline use. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.